A smart electricity management system shall play a cerebral role not only in a smart city but also a smart home. In fact, electricity is destined to be the soul of a smart home, and protection and safety of the electricity shall be an utmost priority. Havells presents domestic range of electrical protection and safety devices. These exquisitely designed devices are optimized for domestic and residential use. They grant protection to the electrical distribution system as well as protect humans and property from faults by taking appropriate actions like circuit breaking and/or current switchovers under emergency circumstances like overloads, short circuits, earth leakage and power failure. Havells MCB are mechanical switching devices capable of making, carrying and breaking currents manually under normal conditions or automatically under conditions like overloads and short circuits in order to protect the electrical system from further damage. Havells MCB have a safety terminal to avoid improper termination along with cool air vents to maintain temperature and bistable clips for easy installation and extraction. This MCB has been designed to withstand increased electromagnetic stresses up to 10 kA, resulting in higher performance and a long life. Their large terminal capacity up to 35 square millimeters and dual termination facilitates easy wiring. Havells RCCB are mechanical devices designed to making, carrying and breaking currents manually under normal conditions or automatically when residual current attains a given value under specified conditions in order to protect humans and property from leaking current. Havells RCCB have a short circuit withstanding capacity of up to 10 kA and an advanced neutral, making it safe to use as a main switch. These RCCB are equipped with a safety terminal to avoid improper termination, a bistable clip for easy installation and extraction, cool air vents for cool running and a rotary handle for on-off indication. Havells RCCB have a large terminal capacity up to 35 square millimeters and terminal sealing feature along with knob locking feature for dual termination. Havells RCBO jointly performs the task of both the MCB and the RCCB. That is, it makes, carries and breaks currents manually under normal conditions or automatically in case of short circuits, overloads as well as when residual current attains a given value under specified conditions, thus protecting both the electrical system as well as humans. Havells RCBOs have a compact design to support high stacking capacity and can retrofit Havells MCB in the distribution box. These RCBOs have an increased short circuit breaking capacity of up to 10 kA, a large terminal capacity of up to 35 square millimeter along with knob locking facility for safe use. Positive contact indication is available on each RCBO that shows red on, green off. Havells RCBOs have voltage-dependent pulsating DC protection with enhanced immunity to nuisance tripping. They provide protection against earth faults even in case of loss of supply neutral. Havells surge protection devices Type 1 are used in low voltage AC distribution systems to limit transient overvoltage and divert surge current from the system. They protect the electrical installations against direct lightning strikes and can carry high flow to earth up to the capacity of 70 kA. These Type 1 SPDs use energy-rich MOV chip having nanosecond level speed of response. Havells Type 1 SPDs have a local fault indicator for timely replacement, 35 square millimeter terminal capacity and voltage limiting design for common mode protection. Havells Surge Protection Devices Type 2 limit transient overvoltage and divert surge current from the system in case of overvoltage due to switching and indirect lightning strokes. They have built-in overheating and overcurrent protection mechanism with energy-rich MOV chip having nanosecond level speed of response. Havells Type 2 SPDs have remote signaling contact for status monitoring and a local fault indicator. Havells MCB changeover is a manual switch disconnector which is used to transfer source of power from one source to the other, both under normal conditions or under system duress situations like power failure. They have a double break type switching mechanism with silver cadmium oxide contact tips to ensure a long electrical life, all the while maintaining a sustained current carrying capacity and keeping a check on temperature. Havells MCB changeover have shrouded terminals to avoid improper termination and are available in a wide range of ratings from 25 ampere to 63 ampere with a center off front operation with 3 stable positions. Havells isolator is a switch disconnector used as incomer in distribution boards in order to isolate the entire electrical system. It is cost effective and energy saving, having low watt loss under running conditions and a longer electrical life. Havells isolators are available in a wide range from 40 ampere to 125 ampere. Havells' domestic range of electrical, protection and safety devices are geared up to stand as safeguard both for and from the electrical gear present in every home of the smart cities of India.